Log in to your Yoroflow account and select your license. From the dashboard, navigate to Administration and click User Management. Use the top right filters to view all active or inactive users. To reset your selection, simply click Clear Filters. Click Import to import users, export user data, or download a user template for the selected list. To invite a new user, click the Invite button, fill in the required details like login email, contact email, first name and last name, select the team, choose the appropriate license, and then click Invite User. For user management automation, you have two options. Inside the Automation Center, explore multiple automation categories and choose one that fits your needs. To build a custom automation, click Create Automation, select a category, set the conditions, and save. For example, to disable inactive user accounts, choose the inactivity condition, define the number of days, apply the rule, select Disable User, and save the automation. Inside existing automations, you can review all existing automations or create a new one. To create an automation for sending password reset reminders, follow the same steps as above.